Hey, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to draw Dynamike from Brawl Stars, the very first character from that game that I've drawn. Hope you can follow along and join me and have some fun. Let's draw. Let's start Dynamike from Brawl Stars with a circle for the minor part of his hat. So I've got two circles there, and I'm going to have his hat coming off here like so. Miner's hat, the old hard hat. And then I'm going to put his nose shape directly underneath that. Shape like so, with he's a bit of a crazy looking guy with dynamite. I don't know whether I'd be trusting this character. And then he's got his eye there. I'll just shift his nose down a little bit with his eye here. Another little eyeball there, almost like an angry bird. And then he's got his mouth, like so. And now he's got his beard that comes across, up, cross, and then joins into the side there like that. And then he's got his ear. Now he's got this part, the inner part of his beard comes up, down, and across for the mustache, behind his nose, out the side. Comes up, down, up. Let's put his other ear on here. Comes down like this. There's his ear. Comes across, similar sort of height to that one. Comes down, similar sort of shape. So there we've got his head. Now he's got his shirt. His sleeve is there, and then this is his body, with his other sleeve coming out like this. And he's got a bit of an arm, bit of a glove, and now he's got a stick of dynamite here. I'm going to draw like a cylinder shape. So draw a cylinder first, do the wick for the dynamite, and now he's got his fingers coming off of holding it with his fingers. They come around like so. And you see that that's part of the back of his glove. Now he's got a belt. So I'm just going to draw his belt coming around like this with a buckle. He's got his peck, 2 pecks there with he's got a bit of a X here, so it's like a X like that. Now he's got his legs, so bring his leg out like this, bring it around. And then he's got his basic shoe shape. See a bit more of this side of that one. And this one's a bit more front on, opposite to the Stumble Guys characters I'd like to draw. Now he's got this brown piece here. I'm guessing this is some sort of cool backpack. His other arm comes out. And we're seeing this more front on, this more side on. So you see a bit more of his glove. And he's got his thumb starting there. This is the dynamite. So let's try and match the same size cylinder. There we are. And let's put the wick on. Now his fingers. I'll bring that one in front. This one in front like this. And then another one there, and another little one in there, and this looks like it's probably the start of his thumb into here, so just put a line there. That's his thumb in behind there. Now he's got this backpack that you sort of just see coming in behind like that, and there's a few lines coming down through there. Once you're happy with your drawing, it's time to outline.